In this video today, we will see how to have both paragraphs and columns in the same Microsoft Word document. Suppose if I want to have a column from this particular line, and if I want to have this as paragraph, then what I will do is I will click before this line, I will go to layout, breaks, and then under section breaks I will select continuous. Now if you want to check whether a section break is created or not, go to home and click on this button, show hide button. You can see a section break has been created. So let me disable this one. Now I will select this whole text, again go to layout, select columns, and let me select 2 columns. Now you can see from this particular line the text is divided into 2 columns, whereas these text they are in the paragraph form. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.